Hello my bunnies, this is Tiki's Trinkets here, and today I have for y'all another polymer clay tutorial. It has been a long time since I've said that, and I apologize for that, but I've been busy doing a lot of different things at once for my Cryptid Cutie Critter series. I've been working on digital art, clay art for it, which is why this is part of that. And this is a tutorial for my OC character Reese. He is a candy jackalope. And his backstory is revealed if you purchase one of his items, whether it be the sticker or the sculpture or the ring or the keychain, anything but the button pins. I don't normally give the backstory cards with the button pins. I don't know, I might still give them with the button pins. We'll see. The button pins are just so cheap that it's hard to do it, but whatever. Any hoozles, if you want to see his backstory, you have to purchase one of his items. Same thing goes with all the other Cryptid Cutie critters, and they are 6 in total. The next series I'm going to be doing, which sneak peek, it's probably either going to be Christmas cutie critters or cottagecore cutie critters. I'm going to continue with this theme of cutie critters. And it's just something I thought of a while back, obviously. I've been working on this project all year. I just really been wanting to give my original characters my all and just push forward with it, and that's what I'm doing right now. I will still do fan art, obviously, especially if a customer requests it. Of course, why not? But I am trying to focus right now on getting my stuff done for my original art. I had that on sleep mode, but I don't know why that just turned on. Anyways, my chair is not hitting that. That's odd. Just ignore that. But yes, this is going to be the tutorial for Reese, which you can see right here. And again, he is a candy-themed jackalope, hence the Twizzlers for antlers, and the Easter egg, and the gumdrop button, whisker freckle things he has. Candy theme, you get it? I wanted to do cryptids, but I wanted to do my own original cryptids. That's how this all started. I wanted to do something cute and creepy, but cryptid theme, and something that's my own art with my own characters and own stories. So yeah. But anyways, don't forget to check this out on my Etsy shop. The sculpture's not listed yet, but the rings are available. The keychains are available. The rings are available for all the characters. The sculptures are available for the first set of characters, not this set yet because I'm still working on them. And the other bundle sets, which will include the keychains, the button pins, and the stickers, those are still in progress right now. So obviously I'm still working hard on this stuff right now. I've already ordered the stuff for the next bundle set, they just have not arrived yet. But when they do, my bad, I will announce it on Etsy, Instagram, Twitter, TikTok, all of my social media accounts, so follow me on other social media accounts, not just here on YouTube. And the next week's video will be a drawing video for me drawing the rough draft designs for the second set of the Cryptid Cutie critters, which includes Annie, Anubis, Hyde, the deer, and Dan, the goat, the mountain goat with no horns that has carrots for horns. And again, if you want to hear more about their backstories, go ahead and purchase something over on Etsy. They all come with adoption certificates, and they come with the backstory cards. Alright, that's more than enough talking. This is a very short tutorial, so please enjoy it. It's just a very unethical way of me doing it. It's kind of like going back to my old school roots with pictures, but I still hope you guys enjoy it. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you all in the video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you in next week's video. Let's get into this. Bye-bye, my bunnies! Alright, to start, I pre-rolled all the balls I would need. Then I took the largest one in the center and rolled it into a teardrop shape. Then I pressed the tip of it down so it would be flat on the top. After I did that, I stood it back up on the fattest end and pressed it down so it would stand up flat, nice and even. Then I put a piece of metal wire in it for structure. You can go ahead and put glue on that if you're comfortable with the position. I don't put glue on until the very end myself, though. Then I took the second largest ball, rolled it into a teardrop or egg-like shape to make the head shape. Once I did that, then I added the mouth muzzle piece, just indented the mouth with the X-Acto blade, the hole with the dotting tool, and then I put the metal wire pieces for the ears. To make the ears, I just rolled more teardrop shapes and then pressed them down nice and flat so they look like ear shapes. After that, I made the thighs by pressing 2 more balls up against the hip of the rabbit. I used the palm of my hand so it'll be more rounded, but you can use your fingers if you need to. Then I took the small ball in front, rolled it into a tiny teardrop shape, pressed it under his butt so that it's his tail. I'm sorry, I can't stop laughing at butt. Then I rolled out the feet by making teardrop shapes and indenting the toes with my X-Acto blade, pardon me. Then I realized I didn't have enough balls for the arms and the eggs, so I had to roll those too. I made the arms by rolling 2 more balls and then indenting the fingers, positioning them how I wanted. Then the egg, just rolled it into literally an egg shape, and then I went on ahead and painted it before baking, and it's just cheap Walmart paint. I had no problems with burning, but just keep that in mind with whatever paint you use. I just painted on layer by layer. Then after that, I removed the arms and the eggs, and then I put metal structures in for the antlers. And I did the black one by rolling out a tube, wrapping a smaller tube around it, and then I did the red one exactly the same. I also used the pink for the smaller details by making triangles, circles, and teardrop shapes. After that, I cleaned it off with rubbing alcohol and Q-tips, and then I baked it for 350 in a gas oven for about 11 minutes, and then I was done. I also glazed it to make it nice and shiny. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you next week. Bye-bye, my bunnies.